Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. So click on Start, then click on Settings. Now here click on Display. And here guys you will see this first option, adjust the brightness of the built-in display. You can increase and also guys you can decrease. So 0 to 100% you can increase brightness in your Windows 11. So it's easy way, and guys there are some more options like night light. Use Warner colors to help block blue light. So just you have to select on. If you want to use Warner colors to help, and also guys you can use HDR. If your machine is support HDR, so you can use HDR in your Windows 11. So as we can see, HDR video streaming is supported and use HDR is not supported in my case. It can be different in your case. So HDR video streaming we can turn on and turn off by here. And if you have this support, use HDR so you can make on or off. So like this guys, you can customize brightness and display in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.